What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see what we got going on. I told y'all we hitting the track. Me and little bro got everything loaded up this morning. We running late, but I mean, we ain't tripping. We weren't really tripping today, cause it's not just like an event. And at the same time, another thing, it gonna be laid back. Everybody in Orlando right now, no guts, no glory. So it's a perfect time. Said we gonna be able to go right back in the stadium like we need to and all that. Only thing we hoping is that we get down the track. Cause tracks don't be the best the day after it rain. It done rained good all yesterday. And like I said, we going to Silver Dollar. So the prep be so-so. And I understand it called street car be down there, so they don't just put all their best prep down. Cause the street cars and street tire tear it up. So when you go into an event where it's a lot of street tire, man, you gotta keep that in consideration. But we're gonna try to work with it. We're going to try to work with it and do what it do, man. At least, if all else fails, we're going to get some data. We definitely going to get some data. Because we can get back in the lane. We can take our time. It just chill. So, we got everything ready, man. We finna hit the road, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Checking in. We made it to the destination. About to get unloaded. Like I said, it's a laid back day today, man. This what we like right here. Yeah, man. We get some real testing done now. So, I don't know if we're gonna put everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it real with y'all. It just depends, but y'all gonna get a chance to see something. Y'all gonna see something, man. But yeah, we finna get this thing unloaded, y'all, and then turn y'all back on. right, y'all, we're taking it in. So look, just made the second pass on motor. Tried the trans brake. Y'all probably can hear me on the GoPro, but basically that joker, when I held on to the shifter, it left in second again, man. So it kind of killed the power and all that. But we're gonna try that later on today. We got plenty of time laid back, man. So we probably gonna go back and try that. But right now we finna strap that Krenak in there.
Yes, sir.
We got oh yeah, we gotta put the fitting in there too. So
we got
stuff to do. So we gotta put the fitting in there. And but before we do that, we can just go and put the other bottle in.
And use the other bottle.
We're gonna use the other bottle, but we finna see what it do. Right. We don't know how it gonna react on nitrous.
Right.
Be violent.
The track seems like it ain't good.
Yeah, the track seems like it good. Yeah. So we trying to take advantage before the street car get out there.
Right.
Right now it's just been slick and radio cars. So we're gonna keep going out there.
So right.
We're gonna get that bottle strapped in. Catch y'all. All right, y'all. Taking in, little bro getting the bottle pressure right. We got everything set. I got a very light tune up in it. First one, you got to be safe. Especially in those sprays your car, you got to see how your car gonna react and all that. Don't just go out there and just try to slap that joke across the head. So, this right here, whatever y'all gonna see, whatever it gonna do, it's a whole lot more left in the tank, man. So, we just trying to see. We trying to get out there for the street tire get out there. So, we're gonna get that bottle pressure up, then we're gonna tune in to y'all, man, from down there.
Got it, y'all. Trip ended.
Here we go, y'all. It's snagging. It's snagging. All right, we taking in. Hey, man,
it broke some teeth.
Them boy Benny, man. Look, I don't know why that man put the extreme prep on that thing, man. But
well, you know, Karki taught me, so I gotta live up to Karki's reputation.
Yeah, hey, shout out to Karki, man, my boy. Hey,
it was about to go.
It was finna go, man.
It was gonna go. It held.
Yeah, it
held, and then the rear end said, "I quit."
You show the first pass. Don't show this one. Show the first pass. That first pass was a good one.
Yeah, exactly. On the motor, yeah, that was good. I told y'all though. I said if something's gonna happen, it's gonna break the rim, man. And that's what we got. We broke the rim, so
it ain't the end of the world.
Nah, we gonna put the real unit in there now. Then we got it. So we'll take back in y'all on the trailer. All right, y'all. Made it back to the house. Little bro moving Dolo. Cause Meech gonna have to go behind it. And then, cause y'all know I'm gonna have to use Dolo now, man. I got the stuff set up. So, I have to do that. And then I'm in the bag, Meech all the way up. Right there. Alright, I'm taking in, y'all. So we back from the track. We finna get this thing unloaded. And then I'm gonna holler at y'all about what happened today with everything else. And then we got a video coming. I got the video coming where we already went in the rear end. So we done did all that. We done checked everything out. So y'all gonna want to see that. We done inspected some stuff, all I can say. So y'all gonna want to check that out, man. I'm gonna have that video coming for y'all, cause it'll be too long. It'll be too stretched out. So I got that coming for y'all too, man. But we finna get this nag unloaded. And I'm gonna set y'all up, cause I'm pretty sure y'all gonna hit the snags and all of that other good stuff. And then we're gonna put Dolo in front of it and all that. And by that time, wife ought to be back, so we can eat good, man. Cause we ain't ate all day. So y'all stay tuned.
Showtime at the Apollo. You gotta take that brake off, or you can put it on there.
I just had it right there on that side though.
Oh, shit.
Just in case it rolls.
Right. Well, when you, I'm about to push it. Hold on, let me get on your side. You have to cut back a little bit.
Come on, to the left.
Yeah, away from the car. Away from one car. Shut the door. Alright, let go. It locked it down. Yeah. Good God, I thought you hit the brake.
That's what I said. You got to get down this stuff.
I thought you hit the brake.
No, I knew it was gonna do it. Nah, you gotta be able to roll straight back. You should. Nah, you can roll straight back.
Alright.
Yeah, cause it don't meet that. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Check it in, man. Much later. Man, little bro got finna eating. Just been tripping out. He finally about to head to the house, man. He finna go get up out of here. Appreciate him. We got Meech put up. That was a boy, hey, whoo. We ain't record everything. Look, Kyle. It started getting real, boy. I was like, hey, we gotta cut the camera off. Y'all saw some of it, man. That's over there, man. Hey, we just like, hey, we gotta get this thing out the trailer, man. It got to come out the trailer. So we started, like I said, we had cut the camera off, got to it. We got it to that spot. Then we started pushing it back. We just muscled it, huh? Then it'll go a little bit, locked down. Then it got to where it just wouldn't move. So got a wood block, jacked it up. We jacked it all the way up. Got the tires off, and then he pushed it, and I pulled it back, and then sat down and stopped. So all in all, we got out the trailer, man. We got out the trailer. I already know what's broken. Like I said, it's multiple things broke. Man. So, but that joker, they'll make some steam, man. They're making some steam, man. I'm telling you, then, you know, I told y'all I was gonna come with it. It broke the rim. It broke the transmission, man. We're gonna have to put some even bigger and better stuff in that transmission, man. I already talked to DJ, so they're probably gonna be one of the one-off transmissions. They're probably gonna be one of the one-off transmissions, man. We're gonna get together. Told DJ, man, we're gonna have to put together another package of stage, whatever, Showtime transmission package, man. Then, you know, if there was somebody want, they just gonna have to drop the bag in it. We're gonna put some real stuff in it, man. And I'm already finna go to Summit. I'm finna go get on Summit right now. Go ahead and order the stuff I need to order. Cause like I said, I got a video coming for y'all, man. Y'all got to see it. I got a video coming. But all in all, hey, today was a good day. We got some good data. That joker laid the law down straight out the trailer on the motor. It ain't cocking the tires up no more, thanks to the anti-roll bar and the new shocks. And that joker put it down, man. I'll tell you, I don't know what it looked like on camera, car. I ain't seen it yet. But my boy Meech is the truth. My boy Meech the truth now. I'm telling you. And look, what's so crazy is that, you know, I got some of my buddies be on Facebook and stuff, man. They be suggesting stuff like I put a picture up, you know, I broke something and all that. People telling me how much this will take, or the 8.5 will take this and that. And I'm like, but at the end of the day, a lot of people, I keep telling people, do not know or don't have the slightest clue exactly how much power Big Meech making. I promise you, the average racer is probably underestimating what Big Meech make, man. Like people that know what Dolo's on, man. I just keep it real cause of the way the cars look, man. The way they look, people just don't be knowing what they're dealing with. It's just a few people like that really know. I can count on one hand. Yeah, I can really count on one hand. It's a few people that really know like what these cars are, man. But Meech Meech really ain't a play toy. That's why it's a bad machine, man. It was violent. And it just bad, man. I mean, it's a heavy car still too. Stuff breaks. My bad, y'all. That camera cut off. I've been having to record, man. I had to delete some stuff. But like I said, man, I was trying to come off the line with little of nothing, man. I mean, for real, that was 24%. 24%. And that joker, boom. That joker, boom. 24%, man. I said, golly. Woo woo. So I don't know, man. I mean, right? It ain't gonna take no nitrous. Not what I got. And people, hey, I put on Facebook, man. Everybody thought my axles, bro. I'm like, I ain't break no axle. I have never in my life broke an axle. I have never broke an axle, man. Never. The axle's not breaking. I ain't finna break no axle. I don't know why people think I broke an axle, man. But I ain't break no axle, man. Nah, I did not break an axle. I can tell you that much. But like I said, man. All in all, it was a good day. That bad boy, all I can say, it went faster. I will say that. It straight out the trailer, boom. Already went faster on motor. Went faster, just like that. Boom. I told y'all that cocking in the air, take a lot of time. It looked good. I'm glad Meech did it so I can give y'all the show, man. That'll be in the memory book. But it take a lot of time. And it laid it down right there too, but it ain't on the ground. It just went today, boy, out the trailer on the foot brake. Boom. Now, the tram brake, I'm kind of glad the tram brake didn't hit in first gear because it probably would have broke everything on motor. It hit in second gear. So I'm kind of glad that it launched in second gear and it just calmed it down so much. And that's why it was blowing through the converter bad. Cause my converter, my engine, everything, it's a nitrous engine. I set my stuff up around nitrous. It just get down on motor. It make a lot of power. So it get down. It get down on motor too. Trying to see what that was. That's my opening door, wind, boy. I'm finna get the boom. But anyway, yeah, man. That's just what it is, man. So like I said, all in all, hey, it been a good day. I got my new packet came too right here from Jed's. So we're waiting on that. And my nitro gauge. I need to find my nitro gauge, man. We took for Meech. I need to get out of trouble. But anyway, yeah, man, that's it, man. All in all, so I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later, BCG. We out.